Did I count 8 items in the Allure box for October? Yes, you did. Wow, that's a great number of items. Yes, it is. We are promised 6 items, 3 full size, 3 sample size. We got 8 and most of them look like they're full size. Yes, and if you're interested in trying Allure, we have a link in the description box down below so you can give it a try. And the box does come with a brochure that is over here. It has a brochure with a lovely person on the front, and it tells us about the products in the box. Well, let's stop yakking, and I want to see some more about these products. Okay. We have a toner called Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. This is from Ole Henriksen. I probably always pronounce it wrong. This is a full-size item. It's definitely hefty. It is 6.5 fluid ounces, which makes it full size. And the price is $35. And it says that alpha hydroxy acids are in here paired with reviving licorice extract to help remove the dark spot, or fade the dark spot, I should say. And they recommend using it once or twice a week. The scent of licorice is not my favorite, but it might be somebody else's, so very true. Fatima is holding the next item. It looks like there were 3 items and you were randomly given one of the 3. So we got a product by Florence by Mills, Glow Yeah, and this is a lip oil. It is full-sized and has a retail of $16. And supposedly this gives us softer, dewy lips and can be used anytime. Another full-size item, Sicilian Light & Co. And this is also full-size. I think I may have said that twice. I'm just in shock that we're getting so many full-sized items. Yes, that is a surprise to get so many full-sized items. This one is 1 fluid ounce with a retail of $60. And it says the reason we will love the Skin & Co. Sicilian Light Serum is that the multitasker that this item is, jam-packed with good stuff, brightening antioxidants, vitamin C, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and squalene. I will admit, it does have a safety seal. I've gotten a little sniff of it. Squalene really isn't my thing, but it might be somebody else's. So very true. And it sounds like this does a lot for you. Yes, it does. So this will probably get passed along down the line. But that's kind of what it looks like. From Miele, we have a $10 item for 6 fluid ounces. We've had something by this brand before. I think it was a hair oil. This is a scalp scrub. I'm curious to give this a try. My personal experience with scalp scrubs have not been great, but this is a different product, so I'm game to give it a try. That's why we get subscription boxes, to be able to try some different things. This is Rosemary Mint Clarifying Sugar Scalp Scrub, and it's supposed to gently exfoliate, revive, and refresh your scalp, and it is non-drying. So that is something I look forward to, because my hair tends to dry easily. What else can I tell you? Camel's reading up on it real quick here. It says to massage it into your wet roots in the shower and then scrub which is, I guess, the massage, and then rinse. And then shampoo and condition as usual. Anne has decided that her top two from the first half of the box are the lip oil and the scalp scrub. What do you think? Have you tried any of these? Let me know down below. I'm a nosy camel. And now moving right along with this video. From Curology, we have a gentle cleanser, and this is supposed to have basically no scent, which my allergies are very happy to hear that one. And I think it said it was $12. Yes, full size, $12 for 80 milliliters, hydrating glycerin, soothing oat extract, and doesn't have any discernible scent. And it's suitable for all skin types. Yipes, I'm losing my clothes. Well, that could be interesting. And it's even suitable for sensitive skin. So this looks like it could be a potential winner. Fatima is holding the box that the Belief eye cream came in. Nice big box. Itty bitty little product. I think the packaging could have been a little bit better for this sample size. I am not complaining about getting a sample size. That's one of the things you're supposed to get in this box is 3 sample sizes. We got more full size this month. I'm just complaining that the packaging seems a little bit of a waste or out of proportion. Anyway, from Belief, Aqua Balm Eye Gel. And in all honesty, for a under eye product, you really don't need a huge amount. So this is enough to at least test it out. Be sure you're not allergic to it. Patch test first. A good sample size. This is, sample size is 5 milliliters. Full size would be 15 milliliters for $32. This has vitamin C and niacinamides and a little caffeine, and it supposedly cools like the old cucumber on the eye trick. So we shall see. Keep your eye on our shorts feed. That's where we do a lot of our product trial reviews and results. So very true. Olay has sent us a sample size that looks like it would be great for travel. They're tiny little slips of paper that, when activated with water, become a cleanser. I'm not sure how well this is going to show up, but there are 12 tiny little pads in there, and one just plops one in your palm of your hand, add some water, and you have a cleanser. I thought, hey, that's pretty neat. And they're even recommending that it would be good for traveling, that it's not going to take up a lot of space or weight, since airlines now charge you by the pound, as I understand it, for your suitcases, not your person. That was a sample size with 12 of them in there, and full size would have 32 and would be $10. The concentrated tabs foam nicely as a traditional cleanser. Run 1 tab underwater for 3 seconds. Rub your hands together to create a lather and cleanse. Gee, that sounds kind of neat. Yes, it does. And product number 8 is, I guess, the sponsor of the box. It is also a sample size from Liquid IV. They have now added sugar-free products to their lineup. I'm not big on sugar-free. It does not always agree with me, but I do like Liquid IV. This one has 3 different flavors: white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. So I'm going to keep this sealed up and save it for a friend that I know will be able to use it. So we got 8 things in this box. And decided that in the second half of the box, her 2 favorites were from Olay and from Curology. Interesting that they are both cleansers. What do you think? Do you try this? Are you interested in these? Let me know down below. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what you always do. Yes, it is. This box is $25 a month if you do the monthly subscription. You can do, I think there's 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions if you prefer. Granted, you do have to pay the entire amount up front. So depending upon what your budget will allow. So for $25 a month this time around, we wound up with 8 items, which would make each item $3.12. Boy, you can't beat that. No, you can't. Normally, you would get 6 items, 3 full size, 3 sample size. And there is a link in my description box down below, and that will save you $10 if you want to try the box. And so, we got, out of the 8 items, 5 were full size. I think if we counted correctly. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video and take a look at the Allure box for October 2024. Leave us a comment down below and consider subscribing to our channel. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. That's what we always say. And we do hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.